Hi everyone, my name is Atik Rahman. In this video, I will show you how you can easily fix skin imperfection, delete unwanted people, and get right any of undesired object using a single Photoshop tool. As you can see, there are many unwanted people in the background that I want to remove. Now I will pick the remove tool from the toolbar and then take a new layer. Make sure all sample all layer is checked and unchecked remove after each stroke, and then paint over the unwanted people just like this. Okay. After paint over the all people that you want to remove, finally I want to click OK. And you see the all unwanted people in the picture are gone. Okay, let's go another picture. Here I want to remove her necklace, and again I take a new layer and select the remove tool. Also make sure all layer is checked and unchecked remove after each stroke, and then paint over the whole chain like this. And then hit OK. Wow, the chain is completely gone. This tool makes removing objects so easy. Now I will show you how the remove tool does more than just removing object. Now let's explore another amazing use of the remove tool. You will be surprised to know that it can even research your skin by removing pimples, ants and scars. Let me show how simple is it. Just select the remove tool and take a new layer. Also check the sample all layer is checked and unchecked remove after each stroke, and then paint over the pimples. Make sure carefully select all pimples like this. Also you can remove unwanted hair. Like this. Okay. And then click OK. As you can see, the face is now free from pimple and the forehead no longer has extra hair. In this video, I discovered how to use Photoshop's remove tool for fixing different kind of issue in the picture. It's a powerful, user-friendly feature that's make editing so easy. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.